According to new study, a cybercrime community that previously targeted cloud ecosystems in Docker and Kubernetes has grown to repurpose legitimate software surveillance resources as a loophole for executing destructive attacks. To our knowledge, this is the first time attackers are found using legal third-party tools to hack cloud infrastructure, Israeli cybersecurity company Intezer said in an article on Tuesday. The Team TNT threat actor not only mapped their victim's cloud environment but also executed device commands without having to directly install malicious code on the target server using software called Weave Framework, which is used as a visualization and tracking platform for the Docker and Kubernetes systems. Team TNT has been involved at least since the end of April this year, focusing their attacks on misconfigured Docker ports to mount a cryptocurrency mining malware and a DOS bot. Then last month, by searching the compromised Docker and Kubernetes networks for confidential credential information contained in AWS passwords and config data, the crypto mining gang changed their modus operandi to exfiltrate Amazon Web Services, AWS, logins. While their method of gaining initial foothold has not improved, what has been tweaked is the manner in which the architecture of the infected host itself is regulated. They set up a new privileged container with a clean Ubuntu image until the attackers find their way in, used it to download and execute cryptominators, obtain root access to the server by creating a privileged local user called Hilda to link to the server via SSH, and finally install Weave Framework. The attackers enjoy all the advantages from using a legal tool such as Weave Array, as if they had installed a backdoor on the application, with considerably less effort and without the need to use malware, said Nicole Fishbein, of Intezer. Although Team TNT's primary aim seems to be to raise cash by cryptocurrency mining, various groups who have resorted to the deployment of cryptojacking worms have been successful in breaching enterprise systems owing in part to exposed API endpoints, rendering them an enticing target for cybercriminals. It's suggested to limit access to Docker API endpoints to discourage adversaries from taking control of servers. Weave Scope uses default port 4040 to make the dashboard available, and anybody with network connectivity can open the dashboard. Similar to the Docker API port, the firewall can close this port or lock it, the cybersecurity company stated. To read more exclusive content we publish, follow Commerce Shift CCTV on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and LinkedIn.